What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create galleries into your WordPress website posts or pages using the WordPress native block editor, okay? Into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over posts or pages, okay? It's changed according to where you would like to apply your gallery. In my case, I would like to apply a gallery into one of my posts. So I'm gonna go to posts, select one of my written posts. Now find the location where you would like to apply the gallery. I'm gonna want to apply the gallery between these two paragraphs right here. So just hover a mouse between these paragraphs. We're gonna be able to see a plus button appearing, okay, call it add block. We're gonna click on it, and right here we're gonna search for gallery, just like this. Here is the block that we are looking for, the gallery. Click on it. Now we can upload files from your computer, okay? Or you can click on media library to open the media files that you already have uploaded on your site. I would like to select all of these 6 files right here, okay? These 6 photos. In the case that you want some tip in a good place to find illustrations for your posts, okay? There is the pixels.com, okay? The pixels.com is a great site where you can search for images, and you're gonna be able to find a lot of good photos, okay, in good quality, and all are free to use, okay, so it's royalty free. After finding your image, select just like this and click into the bottom blue color, okay, bottom. So this bottom left, the bottom right color. Create a new gallery. You can apply captions to the image in the case that you want. You can type captions. If not, just click into the blue button into the bottom right corner of your screen, and here is your gallery. If you save the post and go see the post, here is the result you got. But of course we can customize this gallery, okay? First thing, we can apply some zoom to the image. If you click right here, you can change the image. You can apply some zoom. I'm using the row part of my mouse, so you can customize the image, okay, using the crop option. Aspect ratio you can change, okay, so make it looks different. You can make the image roll. You can cancel. In addition to every single image, if you review the right sidebar of menus, you're gonna be able to see the resolution option. Normally the WordPress uploaded as large. You can change for full size or to thumbnail. If you use thumbnail, you're gonna be able to see lower quality of the image, so I always recommend large or full size. Another nice thing is if you click into this select parent block gallery right here, this button, you're gonna be able to change the columns in the case that you want, the global resolution. You can crop the image to fit or let it be original sizes. You can randomize the order or not. And you can make a link, okay? The image links to attachment page, media file or none, okay? Up to you. And talking about every single blog image once again. Sorry, talking about the main gallery once again. Go back to this block, okay? This part right here, into the gallery, and you're gonna be able to see a couple of useful options. The caption, in the case you want to apply a caption to the whole gallery, and this option to align. As you can see, we set as none, but see the wide, for example. see the full widget option. Let me update. And here is the result. Looks fancy, right? Different. What else? Left, center, right, wide, looks fancy as well, don't you think? Then imagine that we would like to remove an image. The WordPress gonna automatically organize the gallery for you, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Always remember to hit the save button into the upper right corner of your screen. This is another blue button. And after this, test your changes into the live page, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor Gutenberg or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire template library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!